Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to go to the very top of the list to find the About phone. Then let's localize MIUI version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back and then scroll down to the additional settings. Here let's scroll down again to find the developer options, and all we have to do right now is to scroll down again, of course, to find this option, automatic system updates. We can easily turn it on just by tapping on this switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn off this option again just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.